Trayanne with the FRVTA, and I'm at the Jacksonville Equestrian Center for opening day of the 2025 Jacksonville Fall RV Show. The Jacksonville Fall RV Show is one you don't want to miss. The FRVTA hosts the only multi-dealer RV show in Jacksonville, which means 5 dealers, hundreds of fresh models, and a whole lot of wow in one place. It's your first look, your side-by-side comparisons, and your chance to feel what's new this year on your schedule in one walk. Every display is a reveal. Step from a sleek Class B camper van into a family-friendly Class C, then straight into a luxury Class A. Swing by the fifth wheels with the huge living rooms. Explore travel trailers in every size. Check out the toy haulers with convertible garages. Peek at truck campers, A-liners, and teardrops. If you've been shopping online, this is where the photos turn into the "oh, that's the one" moments. Factory reps and product pros are here to talk features, tech, and what's changed in the latest model. Expect real answers, fresh ideas, and that "I can see us in this" moment. And when you're ready to outfit your adventures, the vendor marketplace has RV accessories, resorts, and other must-have gear. A live DJ will be on site, keeping the energy high and the vibes fun. There will also be plenty of tasty food available so you can refuel and keep exploring. Bring your crew and make it fun. Kids love discovering bunks and hidden storage. Don't forget to enter to win the daily door prize drawing in the vendor booths. One $250 gift card gets given away every single day of the show. Pets are welcome on a leash or in a carrier, so your adventure buddy can join in the excitement. The 2025 Jacksonville Fall RV Show is being held at the Jacksonville Equestrian Center October 2nd through 5th. The gates are open Thursday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. For more information, please visit our website, frvta.org, and click on the show link on our homepage. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.